Okay, this is a demo video, which is the second part of this video titled KGW use case for ProMeter 100 to IEC 61850. Okay, so earlier I do a video and show the connection between the so-called Modbus RTU connection. Okay, so for my case, I don't have the actual meter, so I'm using a Modbus slave software to simulate this. Okay, so it's already established. You may want to watch the earlier video, part one of this video. Now it's part two. Okay, now after establish the Modbus RTU connection, let's create this IEC61850 server inside here. Okay, and probably we use another software we call it IEC Scout to read the value of this IEC61850. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the PC now. Okay, and the Modbus is slave is working now. Okay, let's open up the software earlier that I did. Okay, and that software is under yeah, I think is okay. Let me open. Okay, the use case. Okay, so this is the project. Okay, later I will publish this project also. Okay, so under this ProMeter. Okay, this is the thing. This is the Modbus RTU's slave that client reach out to ID1 and ID2 is established already. Okay, the next interest is I go to server, right click and create a new server. Okay, the driver should be IEC61550 server. Okay, and press OK. Okay, the next thing I want to set, okay, let me show a bigger page. Okay, so okay, let's put up a meaningful name. Maybe IEC it, maybe just IEC server. Okay, description is server. Okay, okay. Right click. Okay, go to the protocol parameter. Okay, okay. This is what you need to do. Okay, is double click this third row. Okay, then at this corner there's this three dotted. Okay, press and create a new entry. Okay, press OK. Okay, you have to repeat this 4 times. On the third, fourth, fifth, sixth column. Okay, okay. Let me do it. Okay, create a new entry. Okay, you just leave the entry as the default. It will do. Okay, new entry. Okay, new entry. Okay. Okay, the next interest is to create the name of the device. Okay, let's name it Pro M. Okay, let's call it Pro M. Okay, so the access point, let's pick it as 1. Okay, yep, good to go. Good to go. Okay, the next thing is I right click over here and create a new server. Okay, let's name it KGW. Okay, under the vendor keylearn. Okay, and press OK. So you get to see this. Okay, right click over here and create a new point. Okay, so if you put the effort to create the Modbus RTU properly, okay, you should get to see this. Is it Modbus RTU? Oh, I misspelled the Y. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so if you open up, you should get to see this ID1 and ID2. Okay, so my interest today is actually device 1. Okay, and the value of AI 0 to 16. So let me select. Okay, here is a bit tedious. You need to do this selection. Okay, okay, go to ID2, do the same. and press OK. Yeah, so then you get all these variable data already. Okay, good. So the next thing is let's go to the IO, okay, and put up the more meaningful name. Okay, so by default, there's this variable logic name over here and logic node. Okay, so but the type I need to change it to float. Okay, let's select all. Shift hold and press the last row, batch change, and change it to 32-bit float. Okay, and press OK. Okay, now it's the challenge. Okay, let's change this. The first 16 is actually from device 1. Okay, let's change this 16. Okay, 16. Right click and change it to device 1. Okay, and this let me change it to device 2. Okay, so yeah, this is the understanding. Okay, for the object data, maybe I copy the description. Okay, 16, copy, and I paste the description over here. Yeah, okay, look decent. Okay, look decent. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to save it. Okay, and go to this first option over here, do a right click and create the CID file. This is the milestone of this application. Okay, let's create a file. Okay, go to the documentation. I go to the file folder first. Okay, remember. Okay, let me go to the documentation folder, and I save it as IED Pro M. Okay, and save it. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I download the program. Okay, download the program. Okay, I already published the password. Okay, you may want to go to the earlier video. Okay, and press OK, and yes, I want to remove the earlier program. Okay, so but the program is not activated yet. Okay, I need to reach out to the web page again. Okay, and activate start. Okay, and it's been start. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now, if I get everything correctly, is I open up the EDBS Scout software. IED Scout, sorry. Okay. Okay, I open up the file. Okay, the file is which one? Yeah, this the one that we just created. Okay, double click. Okay, so okay, go reach out to the IED this property and type the IP address of this and press save. Okay, and do a connection. And if you get to see this green thing on, that means it's online, which is a good indication it's online. Okay, so basically we got two set of data, which is device 1, okay, which is the power meter 1, and power meter 2. Okay, and let me see if I can open up. Okay, so all these are the variable, and it's actually displaying the variable over here now. Okay, so what I can do is maybe I can open up a report. Okay, and can I drag this? Can I drag? Okay, let me see if I can drag. Okay, so this is the first 16 data of the variable, which is from device 1, which is the power meter 1. Okay, let me drag this. See if I can drag it below. Yeah. So yeah, look decent. Okay, let me see if I can put this over here and show a partial screen over here. So whatever value from meter 1 is actually tallied from here. Okay, let's change the V3C. Okay, where's V3C? Okay, this is V3C. At this moment is 1. Okay, let's change it maybe 88.8. Okay, 88. Okay, 88.88. Okay, and yeah, almost immediately it changed. Okay, let's try L1 of ID2. Okay, let's change it to 77.77. Okay, so L1. Okay, it's over here. Wow. So yeah, with this I end my presentation. But before I end my presentation, let me show you the disclaimer notes. Yeah, thank you.